हेलो पीपल एंड वेलकम टू शिफ्टिंग गियर्स। अगर इंडियन मार्केट में एक ऐसा कार मैन्युफैक्चरर है जिसने हमें काफी सारे ऑप्शंस दिए हैं, जिसने हमें काफी बेहतर क्वालिटी ऑफर की है इन ईच एंड एवरी सेगमेंट वेयर देयर कार्स आर पोजीशनड, दैट ब्रांड इज Hyundai. And today we have with us the all new third generation Hyundai i20. This of course replaces the old i20 which did get a BS6 update. लेकिन अभी in its third generation avatar, this all new i20 looks bloody good looking. It is a very radical design change and I think a lot of people are definitely going to like it. अगर आप ऐसा सोच रहे थे कि इंडियन मार्केट में the Tata Altroz is the best looking hatchback, this all new Hyundai i20 is equally good looking or maybe even more good looking, but it feels much more premium. It feels much more finished and polished as a product to be called a premium hatchback. इस वीडियो में हम बात करने वाले हैं primarily about the exterior design of this i20. सिर्फ exterior features के बारे में इस वीडियो में बात करेंगे. We have a separate video for the interiors of this all new third generation Hyundai i20. So do subscribe to the Shifting Gears channel, press the bell icon so that you get a notification when we upload that particular video. Now this is an all new car. अगर आप इस गाड़ी की प्रोफाइल देख लेते हो, it is completely different. It is not at all similar to any of the previous generations of the i20 which were sold here in the Indian market. And that is a good thing because this is now so different that आपको ऐसा नहीं लगेगा कि आप एक काफी कॉमन गाड़ी चला रहे हो out on the streets, but then this is definitely going to become very popular and it will eventually become a common sight out on the Indian streets. सामने से जब आप इस गाड़ी को देख लेते हो, you are going to notice you get an all new grille design. You can check it out over here. It is finished in gloss black क्योंकि आज हमारे साथ इसका turbo petrol variant है and for that you get this turbo branding on the grille as well. Gloss black finish में ये grille दिया गया है and it allows a lot of air inside for the engine components to cool down, to breathe better. You have a massive sized Hyundai logo up front as well. And then you're going to notice कि नीचे बम्पर पे आपको ये sporty splitter kind of a design दिया गया है. This adds a lot of sportiness. It adds a lot of character to this all new i20 and I think it looks very good. और ये जो red और black का contrast है, ये जो dual tone finish है, it is adding that extra sense of premiumness to the car's design. After that you will notice कि इस गाड़ी में आपको full LED headlamps दिए गए हैं. So you can notice this. You have an LED projector. You have LED DRLs. और यहाँ पे आपका जो टर्न इंडिकेटर है दैट इज अ स्टैंडर्ड बल्ब. यू कैन नोटिस ऑन द हेडलैम्प क्लस्टर यहाँ पे भी आपको i20 की ब्रांडिंग करके दी गई है. सो दिस शोज Hyundai's attention to detail. एंड लोअर डाउन ऑन द बम्पर आप देख लोगे आपको प्रोजेक्टर फॉग लैम्प दिया गया है. द फॉग लैम्प इज अ येलो बल्ब एंड दिस इज एक्चुअली मोर यूजफुल व्हेन यू वांट टू कट थ्रू फॉग. LED फॉग लैम्प्स के कंपैरिजन में these are more functional, so that is why they have been offered over here. ऐसा नहीं है कि Hyundai is trying to save cost and not offering you an LED fog lamp. After that also notice this fog lamp को जो housing है यहाँ पे भी आपको gloss black finish दिया गया है and that also looks nice and it adds a nice sporty touch. So overall on the front end design you get everything that you come to expect from a modern car in 2020 standards. Bonnet पे भी आपको काफी cuts और crease lines दिए गए हैं. So this also adds to the dynamic appearance of this premium hatchback. Now moving to the side profile of this car, सबसे पहले तो आप इसका dual tone paint scheme देख लीजिए. You will notice that the A pillar is finished in gloss black and it runs all the way till the tail end section of this car. B pillar पे आपको blackout tape दी गई है and even the rear view mirrors are finished in gloss black. Now come up close and check out the rear view mirrors. इनकी डिजाइन जो है ये भी काफी अच्छी है, काफी बढ़िया है. It has integrated LED turn indicators as well. तो turn indicators आपको यहाँ पे फेंडर पे नहीं दिखने वाले हैं. Then you get 16-inch diamond cut alloy wheels. 195 पैच के टायर्स आपको दिए गए हैं. तो ऐसा नहीं है कि अगर आप इसका टॉप मॉडल खरीदते हो you are going to have to upgrade those tires to get better grip. This is going to be more than sufficient par for the course and I don't think people will have too much of a complaint with that tire profile. Again, adding to the overall dynamic appeal of this Hyundai i20, just check out कितने cuts और crease lines दिए गए हैं on the side profile. Check it out. You have this waistline over here which runs till the tail lamp and it starts from the headlamp cluster. Looks nice. आपको नीचे भी cuts और crease lines दिए गए हैं and then you also have this section over here. This is a gloss black applique which works as a side skirt और यहाँ पे भी आपको i20 की branding मिल जाती है. So when you look at this all new car, when you look at this third generation i20, it is very different. It is radically different and it will definitely turn heads काफी लोगों को ऐसा लगता है कि अगर आप एक हैचबैक खरीद रहे हो, you have bought a budget car and it might just be too ordinary. But when you look at this thing over here, this definitely feels special. After that, adding to the premium feeling on the side profile, आपको chrome accent दिए गए हैं on the window sill area. You can notice that कि ये जो quarter glass है इसके आसपास भी ये chrome accent continue हो जाता है. This also adds a nice touch to the overall design. You have chrome accents on the door handles as well, and everything wherever you touch, everything feels fit perfectly. Everything feels like it has been done completely well with attention to detail. कोई भी cheap चीज आपको दिखाई नहीं देने वाली है, at least on the outside. And I think in the premium hatchback space, this is going to set new benchmarks. Come up close, now have a look at the roof section. आपको यहाँ पे एक electrically operated sunroof दिखाई देगा. This is not a panoramic sunroof, but then hey, this is a hatchback. You can't really get a big panoramic sunroof on hatches. पीछे आपको दिखाई देगा that you get a shark fin antenna as well, which adds that sporty touch. And then you also have this integrated spoiler kind of a design on the tailgate. यहाँ पे आपको एक applique भी दिया गया है, and you can check it out. यहाँ पे cutouts दिए गए हैं. These are going to be very functional in the overall aero efficiency of this all new i20. आपको integrated high mount stop lamp भी मिल जाता है. And now just look at the tail end design of this car. It is so striking. It is so different. This is going to be hard to miss जब आप इस गाड़ी को रास्ते पे देख लेते हो. Check it out. The tail lamps are fantastic. Illumination काफी अच्छा है और detailing भी जो है वो काफी बढ़िया है. It is a Z-shaped LED tail lamp and I think it looks bloody good. And along with that आप देख लोगे कि यहाँ पे ये जो chrome accent दिया गया है आपको, it runs across the width of the tailgate and integrates very seamlessly into that tail lamp cluster. और ये आपको ज्यादा overdone, ज्यादा tacky भी नहीं लगेगा because the thickness of this chrome strip is not too big. So it is done up very nicely. You have this gloss black section over here as well. जिसे अगर आप चाहो, you can wrap it up with carbon fiber finish or whatever you like, whatever you think adds a sporty touch to your car. तो ये चीज आप additionally customize भी कर पाओगे, not at the dealer level, but of course in the third party accessories department. You have a chunky Hyundai logo और reverse camera जो है वो यहाँ पे number plate housing area में tuck in किया गया है. You have the i20 branding of course, and you have the variant branding conventionally placed as per Hyundai standards. And again, adding that sporty touch to this all new i20. Lower down on the bumper, आप देख लोगे आपको diffuser effect मिल रहा है. You get that same gloss black finish as an additional skirt. You get rear reflectors as well. And just look at the cuts and crease lines on the bumper as well. आपको यहाँ पे काफी अच्छी तरीके से integrate करके reverse sensors भी दिए गए हैं. I can count it up right now. You have a total of 2 reverse sensors on the back of this all new Hyundai i20. So that's about it in the design, you might think. But what I really like, what I really appreciate in terms of attention to detail are the smaller things. Come up close, just check out this fuel filler cap. It is so nicely done. It is so well integrated with the tail lamp cluster, with this Z-shaped LED tail lamp and the overall cuts and crease lines that are seen on the rear quarter panel as well. This definitely connects. It just, hits my heart. It hits the right chord, and I would definitely call this the best looking hatchback because of such smaller, finer details. टेल लैंप पे आप एक और चीज देख लोगे, यहाँ पे भी आपको i20 की ब्रांडिंग दी गई है. So all of these things also add that personalized touch. It shows that the brand is very serious about this particular product and it is special in their portfolio as well. So that's about it on the exterior design of this all new Hyundai i20. This third generation model, definitely good looking, definitely very different looking, and I think it is going to find a lot of takers very soon. तो अगर आप ये all new i20 खरीदने की सोच रहे हो, I would suggest that you go to your nearest Hyundai showroom very soon, क्योंकि इस पे definitely काफी लंबी waiting period होने वाली है. Comments में मुझे बताइए क्या लगता है आपको about the overall exterior design of this new i20. Do you like it? Do you think this car is stylish? क्या आपको लगता है this is the most good looking premium hatchback? अगर competition की बात करें तो आप consider कर सकते हो the Tata Altroz, the very old and dated Volkswagen Polo, which still looks decent in my books. And then you of course have the siblings, the Maruti Suzuki Baleno and the Toyota Glanza, which just has a Toyota badge on the Baleno. So let me know if you like it. Let me know if you would spend your hard-earned money and bring this thing home. Till next time, subscribe to the Shifting Gears channel. If you haven't pressed the bell icon, do that. Yes, I'm waiting till you do that. Press that bell icon so that you get a notification when we bring the most honest automotive content to your mobile and desktop screens. Goodbye, always wear your seatbelts and always प्राइस से।